Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to fix underground PVC pipe. This is actually main line going to my sprinkler system was leaking. When I dig down, I found this PVC pipe came out of a coupling. As you can see, it's not broken, it just came off. And whoever installed this pipe system didn't do the good job. It was not enough inside the coupling, so it got pulled out. So now we are going to fix. There's maybe many way to fix. You can fix either way. I will fix my way. I'll show you how I fix like those kind of things, because it's really hard to fix. Either you dig far and then you can make some supplies, otherwise you're not gonna be able to move those pipes and there's not gonna be enough room. So in my case, I have a dig a little bit that far, and it's this side you cannot, because it also have a T. So we will discuss couple ways and I will show you how I can do. Now let's start. As you can see, this pipe came off from the coupling. Before you fix or before you start the job, you need to make sure you have all the tools, all the parts you need it, which means like you need some of those 90s coupling T's just in case you need it. You might need also the PVC pipe piece. In my case, I have a 1/4 inch PVC pipeline, which one I have bought these one already, and I also bought this one. So I'm gonna show you how I will do it. Before I'm gonna explain to you, there's maybe other way. If you have a dig far this side and far this side, and what you will be doing, you can pick those pieces up. Maybe you will be able to put it in like inside. But in my case, I cannot move this side because I have a T this way and this way. I can't do it, so I have to follow the other steps. The second one you can do, you might buy 4 90s. You install one here, then install one here like this. Then same thing from here, then you put a piece in the bottom. It will be easy. In my case, I have a room. I can move this pipe on the sideways. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this piece here. Before I have to install, I'm gonna clean everything. I'm just making some ideas how I will install. Then I need that bigger piece. It will go in. I will do like this. Then this pipe, I'm gonna tack it in. So my idea is like this. So if I install this one in, and I'm gonna measure how I have to cut it, then I'm gonna clean. First, I'm gonna install this piece inside. I'm gonna clean it from inside. I'm gonna install this one in. That's the way I will know how far I'm gonna go. I'm gonna cut it. The piece I will cut it, I will use here in the middle. So for this one, I have to move this one on the side so I can access. You can use any tool you have. I'm going to use my knife and I'm gonna score it inside. So I have cleaned this piece. I'm gonna dry and clean more with my this rag. You need any kind of a cloth or paper. You need to clean with something. So you need to make sure there's no water inside and not any dirt or debris from the cleaning. I have cleaned. Now I'm gonna just test fitting here. Okay, it's good. Before I install this one, I also need to know my angle. So first we have to find out the angle of this 90, which angle you need it. Before I put it on, I showed you I use this one, so it's gonna be small, short run, so it's not gonna be extended too much. So to find this angle, we gotta do, I'm gonna install this one a little bit in. Then I have this one. I gotta see how far I can go. and how high I can go. You don't want to go too high, too low, and too side. You don't want to put too much pressure on the pipe. It will break. So in my case, it will go either way. I'm gonna keep it here. So since my angle is here, we can also use this mark in idea, and you just have it like your idea where it's gonna go. I'm gonna keep it here. If you wait longer, then I prefer clean it again before the installation, because there will be some water. We have to do just only one shot. We don't want to come back again and again. I'm going to install this one. I found my angle already. First, I'm going to take a good amount of PVC glue, put it here. Just make sure you have enough all around. Also, I'm gonna run inside. As we know our angle, we're gonna install and keep this piece an angle where it's gonna go. Okay, I have to hold this pipe, or we have to put something under so it doesn't hit that piece. Keep it here. Now I have to cut this piece back so it will go in. So here I will be measuring. So I need this much to go in. I'm gonna cut it from here. To cut, I have that's the tool I have. So now it will perfectly fit. To install these pieces, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let them dry, because if I try to move this piece, then I'm gonna start leaking. I'm gonna let them sit like that for like 30 minutes, and we will come back in 30 minutes. So now it's been already 30 minutes. That piece will be dry. We're gonna install the next pieces. The piece I cut it from here is this one. It's like about 2 inch long. So we need almost 1 inch in this one and 1 inch this one. So I tried to clean as much. I didn't buy any other piece. I'm going to use this piece. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one here first, and if I have to, I will use a hammer or something, and I need to make sure it goes 1 inch inside. I should buy one more like this, male and female, so I don't have to use this piece. But you know, we always miss something. I'm gonna put a good amount of glue inside. So this piece going here in. Here we go. We got 1 inch more than I can see through all the way in. We're gonna let them dry a little bit. Then we're gonna install this piece here or this piece and whatever. So the best idea, we're gonna install this side first. At the same time, we will install here. So we're gonna put glue all over the place. If we have to change the angle, we will change it right now. Okay, now we got a good amount of glue. force it in. I'm gonna remove this one, and here we go. That's it, we're done. We don't have to move any angle. We're gonna wait about like 40-50 minutes. We will test if there's any leakage. If not, we're ready to go and we will put the dirt on. That's all. We have a fixed broken PVC pipe. I have it done this way. That's the cheapest way. I bought for like $1 some, like 58 or 90 cents this piece. $1.98 this piece. So I basically spend only $3-4. If you don't want to do that much work, there's also easy way. I'm gonna have a picture on the screen. It's called PVC coupling repair, and it have it like that big piece. It goes in the middle, and you can extend either way. I will leave a picture on the screen, and I will also leave a link in description. If you don't want to do that much work, you can just cut it from the middle, put it that piece. It will extend on the side, and that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.